so hard, it hurts so bad when hearts are parted. Oh, heaven knows, oh, no, oh, heaven knows, oh, no.
Straight for a minute so that you got your wheel just where it is. Keep that kind of come. You're going to bounce your front tire right on the front toe. Yeah, back up and put your driver's tire right on that.